In this video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in on a part of a video in Premiere Pro. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, go to the project you want to edit, and then we are going to split the video. So the first cut will be when the effect will start appearing. So we can press Ctrl K to split the video, and then the next cut will be when the zoom will end. So for example, right here, select the clip and press Ctrl K again. Now we are going to go to Effect Controls and go to the beginning of that clip, and we are going to create a keyframe. So go to Effect Controls, Motion, and create a keyframe by clicking this icon on the scale. Then let's go like at the middle of the clip, and let's create the zoom effect. You can increase the scale by clicking here, or you can click and you should find those icons, which you can just click and expand the video. Now this will automatically make another keyframe with that scale. So basically what it will do is increase the scale between the first and the last keyframe. Then it will continue with that zoom, and whenever that clip ends, it will return to the normal size. So this is the effect. That's it. That's how you can zoom in a part of a video in Premiere. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.